They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ambition Right. So I've been getting a couple of people requesting my side puff situation. I showed that hairstyle in like 2 videos or something, and people were asking for a tutorial, and I was like, sure, why not? I love when you guys ask me to do things and I do it. So my hair was a flop. I don't know if the video is up yet, but if it is, I'll just leave it in the eye. I'm not even going to tell you what products they are. You're going to have to figure it out yourself. But it was clearly a flop, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys how I do my side puffs. You're going to need your handy dandy water bottle, which isn't warm, but I'm not getting up. It's too hot for all that. You're going to need your gels. So I use my As I Am Smoothing Gel for my base, and then my Allicate Holder Gel to, you know, do the thing. And you're going to need what I use, stocking, like a piece of stocking for my puffs. So this is what I use for my side puffs as well. You need your boar bristle brush and your edge brush for your edges. Optional. And some lip gloss to look cute when you're done. Let's go ahead and wet my hair.
Rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out.
Alright, so you grab your stocking and you're just going to do your puffs as usual. And I usually like to do mine to my left, which I think is your right. I think that's how that works. Alright, so you put it up and then you start to kind of like move it to the side. I think I want mine more towards the front. So what I like about using a stocking cap is that piece of stocking is that you can kind of move it however you want, but it doesn't hurt. I used to use a shoestring, but that kind of hurt. I used to use a piece of elastic, like piece of, what am I trying to say, like a rubber band that snagged my hair. But using this, I feel like it's just so soft. It really like forms to my hair and doesn't hurt. So you literally are forming a puff, but you're kind of guiding it wherever you want it to go. So I kind of want it like towards the front today. And then you just hide the rest of it underneath. It's literally that simple. I like to do this because it's so cute and different. And I feel like sometimes if you keep doing your puffs in the middle of your hair, at least for me, the middle of my hair starts to get sore. So I like to move my puffs sometimes. I even do low puffs like this too. I will then put a bobby pin right here just to continue to form it, because when you do a side puff, it kind of loses its form sometimes.
Rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like rendezvous, make some.
And then you can proceed to do your edges. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna show you guys what I'm using because I'm trying something new, but I'm gonna do them and be right back. Alright, y'all, so I did my edges. This is not the edge control that I usually would use. I don't even think I really like it, but this is what the end result is looking like. Super cute and fun. You could put like cute little barrettes right here. You could do like a lot of things if you want. You can make this into a bun and put like gold clips in it. I do a lot of different things with my side buns, but yes, this is the final look. If you like it, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment down below if you, I don't know, want to hit me up or say something nice to me. I don't know. I don't bite. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, if you enjoy me and my content. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.